Make one slip knot. Tighten up and then chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have here total 30 chains, and to start very first row I will add first 3 chains. So add 3 chain. 1, 2, 3, and this 3 chain I will count as 1 double crochet, and then yarn over, skip 3. 1, 2, 3, skip these 3 chains. On the 4th chain, then yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through 2. So I have here now 2 stitches. One I will count 3 chain and 1 double crochet, and then next one, so 2, and then next stitch, next chain, insert your hook, make here double crochet as well. So first row we will make each chain double crochets. So complete this row with the double crochet, and I will meet you end of my, when I will finish this line, then we will do our second line. Okay, my first line complete with double crochet, and for the second line, turn your work, add 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. This 3 chain I will count as 1 double crochet, and then next stitch over here, next chain, you see, on the next chain insert your hook, pull the yarn, and then yarn over. We have 2 stitches, so pull through. So single crochet, next stitch I make here single crochet, and first one here I will count as 1 double crochet, and then 3 chain, 1, 2, 3 chain, and now I will make puff stitch here. So for this I will insert my hook here. If you see, this is the single crochet, and here just insert, you can see, not here, not in this space, just here. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, so between this single crochet, inside the single crochet, insert your hook like this. So first yarn over, insert and pull the yarn 1. So I'm going to do this 4 times. Again 2, 3, 4 times. Now you can see 4 times, and then yarn over and pull through all. Just pull through all, then yarn over, close with 1 chain like this. So then skip 3 chain stitch, 1, 2, 3. You can see your chains here. On just turn a little bit, then you can find your chain. 1, 2, 3 chain, skip. On the next 4th one, insert your hook, pull the yarn, and then yarn over, pull through. So make single crochets. Now you should have your work something like this, and this is our front side. Okay, then again same we will make here puff stitch. Now 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and then yarn over, same, not this space. So don't insert your hook here. We need to insert our hook inside this single crochet. This is the single crochet inside this. Then pull the yarn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then yarn over, pull through all like this. So, and then close with 1 chain. So here, then again same, skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. Now this is our work right now with 2 puff stitch over here. So same, keep going on until you reach your last end of your row. Same again, 1 2 3, chain, then again yarn over, insert your hook here, 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 on the fourth stitch. So I have here now 3 puff stitch ready. This is our front side and this is back side. So keep going on, make these puff stitch until you reach your end of your row. Okay, my second line almost finished. I have here one last stitch left. If you see, we have here 3 chains. 3 chains, so skip last 2 chain. On the third, on the first, on the top chain, make over here double crochet, yarn over, last one. If you see, I finished here one puff stitch and here single crochet, then yarn over, and very first here next chain. It's very tough, but you can just grab your chain and make here double crochet to make straight both side. It's very important. So make last one double crochet here, and in the starting as well I have here 3 chains, so we will count as one double crochet. So second line completed, if you see. And now for the third row, turn your work and make here 3 chain, 1 2 3. This 3 chain I will count as one double crochet, and then yarn over. Next over here, if you see this space over we have here, not this space, we have your puff stitch or a bean stitch. Insert your hook very starting space you will find here like this, and make, pull the yarn, then yarn over, pull through 2, then pull through 2. So one double crochet and again yarn over, same stitch, same space over here, insert your hook, again make one double crochet. Okay, now I have here 2 double crochets in this same stitch, then again yarn over and just jump into here. When our puff stitch, you see it's finished here, so just insert here and make double crochet, one and one more time. So each stitch I'm making 2 times double crochet here. Now 2 I have here, not 2, here I will make 4, sorry. In here I have here 2 double crochets in the same stitch in the starting, and now I have here 2 3 and 4. So 4 stitches, 4. Now I will make each stitch 4 times, yarn over, next jump into the next puff stitch here. So make 4 double crochets, 1 2 3 and 4. Now you have something like this your work, and then yarn over again, just next stitch over here, 1 2 3 4, then next 1 2 3 4, then next 1 2 3, oh sorry, 4 done, and then almost I am last stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have here one last my last puff stitch, so I will make only 2 times here, 1 and 2 double crochets in this. In the starting as well we did over here 2 double crochets here, and then I have here 3 chains. So same in the last here, if you see we have 3 chain. So on the third chain 1 2 skip, on the very first chain make here double crochet like this. So yeah, now we have 3 line complete. This is our work right now. So 4th row, turn your work. Now we will repeat our line, this puff stitch row. 4th row, make here first 3 chain, 1 2 3. We will count this 1 double crochet, and then so now I will make single crochet for this. If you see we have here 2 double crochet together, this 2 double crochet together. So insert your hook in the center here and make here 1 single crochet like just 3 chain and then 1 single crochet. Now 3 chain, 1 2 3, and for puff stitch yarn over, and we will make puff stitch. Insert your hook with this, here we have single crochet inside the single crochet, then pull the yarn 1, so 4 times, 2 3 4, then yarn over, pull through all just like, and close with 1 chain, and then make single crochet. If we have here 4 double crochets, so very center one, 1 2, and then center, insert your hook, make here single crochet. So now again same, 1 2 3 chain, make puff stitch, 1 2 3 4, pull all, close it, and insert your hook in between. We have 4 double crochet here, just center, make single crochet. Now 1 2 3, yarn over, insert your hook here, 1 2 3 4, pull all and close it, then make single crochet, center here. So just keep going on, finish this, and I'll meet you over here end of my row, then I will show you once again next row. So till then we have something like this. This is opposite side, back side and front side. This is our front side design right now. So yeah, okay, I'm here last. I have here this puff stitch, and in the last, if you see, we have here 2 double crochets. So insert your hook in the center and make here single crochet, and then last we have here 3 chain. So skip 1 2, on the third chain make here double crochet on the third chain. So make sure we are getting straight line both side here. This has to be straight. If you're making some blanket or some dress, so you make sure your both side you are getting straight line. So now I will start my next row. 1 2 3 4, fifth row. So make 3 chain, 1 2 3. We will count as 1 double crochet, and then next, now I'm just repeating the third row, this line. For this we will make 2 double crochets in there, just here, just before here. I hope you guys can see. So here 1, and same again, one more, 2. Now I have 2 double crochet, then next here 4 double crochets, 1 2 3 and 4. Then next, jump into the next here, 1 2 3 and 4. So we have something like this right now, our work, and this is opposite side. So just keep going on this line with the each stitches 4 double crochets. And in the last over here, only 2 double crochets, and then 1 last double crochet. So finish this row, and then you can just repeat next puff stitch line. So you just keep going on with the, actually this is 2 line repeat design only. You can see pattern on the top as well. If you want to see full graph chart, you can check link on the description box. You will find my blog link, so you can check design over there as well. So keep going on. I'm going to make some more line, and then I'll show you how this design looks like.